Yo, what's going on, people? Welcome to my channel, Exchange for Gains. I'm your host, Ron, and this is what I eat in a day.
Exchange for gains. Don't let Jim get lost at the moment.
So what's good, people? Within this video, you're going to see easy recipes which I literally make throughout the day in terms of my meal planning. This is typically what I would eat in a day. I'm a firm believer of high protein and high volume, not necessarily high calories. I like to keep my calories moderate, not necessarily low, but moderate. Again, firm believer of healthy eating as well. So lots of veggies, lots of salad, lots of, like I said, lots of protein. So without further ado, we are having the following for breakfast: 2 eggs, some mushrooms, 2 frankfurters, some chopped up peppers, 100 grams of egg whites, a little bit of grated cheese, and some spinach. Again, nothing too over the top, nothing too dramatic. Again, the volumes are fairly high, but the calories are fairly low. And not only that, this will last me to my mid-morning snack with ease. So this is a typical breakfast which I'll have literally each day. Good sources of protein. You've got your 2 eggs in there, your egg whites, your mushrooms, a little bit of cheese, packed with spinach. When it comes to volume, you can't go wrong with spinach. You can pile on spinach and the calories will still be low. Yeah, we've got a little bit of, obviously a little bit of cheese sprinkled on the top. So as you can see, good amount of volume, good amount of protein. Definitely will literally last me until my mid-morning snack. And yeah, it's just a great way for me personally to start the day. So yeah, what I'll do, literally, I'll leave all the ingredients and sort of like the macros and calories in regards to how much each meal comes up to in the link below. So feel free to check it out rather than me just reading it out on the screen. So yeah, meal number 1, breakfast. So right now it's literally 10:15. Now for my mid-morning snack, because my breakfast was quiet in terms of the amount of volume, I don't need to go overboard in terms of my mid-morning snack. I just need something literally that will fill that spot between my mid-morning snack and lunchtime. So without further ado, for my mid-morning snack, we are going to have the following: some raspberries, some blackberries, some blueberries, half a banana, some whey protein, and 250 ml of almond milk. Again, simple but effective. Almond milk is low in calories, so depending on the brand you buy, you can literally fill up a cup of almond milk and you're only drinking something like literally 25 calories or less. If you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, lose that body fat, lose that belly fat, these are the kind of things you need because it's high in protein at the same time as well. So without further ado, let's dive in. This actual protein shake tastes absolutely banging. It's got the fruits that I like, it's got the whey protein inside of it, it's filling, it's high in volume, and like I said, it's definitely gonna last me right up until lunchtime. Like literally, one of these bad boys can be made within like literally 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This is why I say when I talk about easy recipes, I mean easy recipes. 5 minutes making a smoothie. And not only that, we've got a bag of popcorn, literally sweet and salty. So again, high volume, a little snack to go on the side, definitely gonna last me till lunchtime. So yeah, meal number 2, my mid-morning snack, can't go wrong with a smoothie. Okay, my good people, it's now 1:15 and it's now lunchtime. Now, before I dive into lunch, let me just pause you guys right there and say, if you're feeling this video, if you're feeling this channel, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like I said in my previous video, we're looking to hit that 500 subscriber mark this year. We're currently sitting on around 330, so we're not too far off that 500 mark, and we've literally got under 2 months to go before the year closes out. So if you have not subscribed, hit that, smash that subscribe button right now, smash it. Anyway, without further ado, let's dive in. Lunch. Now for lunch, what we're gonna keep it simple but effective. If you know me, you know I love my salmon. Fatty fish, but healthy at the same time. So we're gonna have some salmon fillets with a salad. And also with that, we're going to have a little high protein dessert which contains 20 grams of protein. Sounds pretty basic and simple, right? However, trust me, it's going to be packed with volume. Not only that, very healthy, low calories. So let's dive in. Lunch. So we've now reached the final meal of the day, which is dinner. Now for dinner, I like to go protein heavy. I like to double up on my protein, so to speak, when it comes to dinner. I like a lot of volume, a lot of protein. So without further ado, we are having the following for dinner. We're going to have a seafood and chicken paella. Now that paella itself contains rice, vegetables, mushrooms, shrimps, and chicken. The paella alone can be a meal. However, we're going to double up on that. We're going to put 200 grams of chicken breast within that paella and mix it all together. So we've got literally mussels, shrimp, mixed up with some rice and 200 grams of chicken breast. And not only that, we're going to add some hot mandarin sauce to that mix as well. We're going to pan fry the paella for around 15-16 minutes. And the chicken breast should be done in literally 20 minutes. Chicken breast can be done really quickly. So without further ado, let's dive in with the final meal of the day, dinner. Okay, my good people, that is all for free for today. That is what I eat in a day. If you're feeling this channel, please feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe. Add me up on the socials. The name is Nutritionist Official. Add up your boy. But until next time, stay blessed, stay motivated, get them gains.
Wait, no support, kid, even around place, we'll hope it rolls. Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.